In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king in the kitchen. The Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker Arc 363ng aims to deliver just that, promising perfectly cooked rice and a variety of other dishes with a simple, one-touch operation. But does this budget-friendly option live up to the hype? Let's delve deeper into the features, performance, and overall value of the Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker to see if it deserves a spot on your countertop. Simple operation for effortless cooking. The Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker prioritizes user-friendliness. Its one-touch operation makes it incredibly simple to use, even for novice cooks. Simply add your desired amount of rice and water, press a button, and the cooker takes care of the rest. No timers, settings, or complicated instructions are required. Once the rice is cooked, the appliance automatically switches to a keep warm function, ensuring your rice stays warm and fluffy until you're ready to serve. This eliminates the worry of overcooked or mushy rice. Compact design and versatile cooking. While the 6-cup cooked capacity might not be ideal for large families, it's perfect for small households or those who typically cook smaller portions. The compact size also makes it a space-saving option for kitchens with limited counter space. Beyond rice, the Aroma boasts surprising versatility. It can be used to cook oatmeal, chili, jambalaya, soups, and even steam vegetables. This allows you to create a variety of one-pot meals, streamlining your cooking process and reducing cleanup. Easy cleaning and maintenance. The Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker prioritizes easy cleanup. The removable inner pot features a non-stick coating, making food residue easy to wipe away. Both the pot and the included rice measuring cup and serving spatula are dishwasher-safe, further reducing cleaning time. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, minimizing heat loss and steam escape. Is the Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker right for you? This rice cooker is a great choice for small households or couples. The 6-cup capacity is perfect for smaller portions. Novice cooks. The one-touch operation is user-friendly and requires minimal instruction. Busy weeknights. Allows for quick and easy preparation of rice and other one-pot meals. Budget-conscious cooks. The Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker is a very affordable option. Things to consider before you buy. While the Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker offers convenience and affordability, it might not be ideal for everyone. Here are some things to keep in mind. Limited capacity. The 6-cup capacity might not be sufficient for larger families. Basic features. This is a no-frills rice cooker with limited functions compared to some high-end models. Durability. Some user reviews mention concerns about the long-term durability of the appliance. Overall, the Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker is a solid choice for those seeking a simple, user-friendly, and affordable way to cook rice and other one-pot meals. Its compact size, easy operation, and dishwasher-safe parts make it a convenient option for busy households and novice cooks. However, if you're looking for a larger capacity or more advanced features, you might want to consider exploring other models. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.